You are most welcome for today's lesson, learners. We are going to learn about decimal numbers. Decimal what? Under decimal numbers, we are going to look at vulgar fractions. We are going to look at what? Yes, vulgar fractions. Under vulgar fractions, we talk about fractions that continue in their answers without ending. This one looks about decimal numbers that do begin with 0 and commonly repeating numbers. For instance, we have 0.4545 with some continuation, meaning that the number do not continue. That one qualifies to be a vulgar fraction. Our major hint today about the vulgar fraction, we are going to change the vulgar fractions to this the decimal fractions to common fractions. We are going to change. This one is changing. Decimal numbers to fractions. And that's where we are today. So, as learners of this class, we are going to look at a number of different questions in which we can change from decimals to fractions. Take an example. I'd already written here a certain number that says 0.4545 recurring. Now, when you are asked to change 0.4545 to decimal number, to a fraction, not a decimal number, to a fraction, what are we going to do? Change 0.4545 to a fraction, meaning that it's going to go away from a decimal fraction to a common fraction. So your work here is to let the common fraction or the fraction, let the common fraction be unknown of your choice. Be unknown of your what? And this is our known of our choice being what? Y. From here, we look at the question, implying that 0.4545 gives us the first part of the elimination of the decimal point. You let our y as the subject is equal to 0.4545 recurring. This one becomes our equation number 1. Then we form another equation by eliminating the decimal point. As we eliminate the decimal point, we look at the common numbers that are repeating. The common numbers that are repeating is 4, 5. 4, 5. Since they are two numbers, they qualify to be in place value of 100. See, they qualify to be in place value of what? 100. Now, the second one will be 100 of y equals to 45.4545 recurring. Are we there? This one will become equation number 2. From here, we get equation number 2 minus equation number what? 1, which is 100 of y equaling to 45.4545 recurring minus equation number 1, which is y, which is equal to 0.4545 recurring. The decimal point matters the subject of the day, in that the decimal point should be in the same line. When it comes to arrangement of place values on this hand side, we shall find that the 0 takes up the place value of 100. Yes? Place value of 100. Are we there? Yes? No, place value of 1s. You are right. Place value of what? 1. Then here, if you subtract, you are going to come up with 45, giving us 99. Y. Where do we get 99y? We have 100y, and we are removing 1. Are we there? When it comes to this one, we eliminate the coefficient. Are we there? So this is 99 of y out of 99 gives you 45 out of 99. The coefficient will go away. On going away, we shall remain with the subject of what? Y, which will give us 45 out of what? 45 out of 99. Are we still together there? Yes. So when we reach here, we are going to reduce the 45 and the 99 by looking at the common factor. By looking at the common what? Now on looking at the common factor of 45, 40 what? And 99, we shall find that the common factor is 9, as members are stating. Are we there? Yes. So if you bring your 9 here, you'll get a 5. If you bring your 9 here, you get a what? 11. So the subject will give us 5 out of 11. Now our number, which was in decimal number, has been changed to a fraction number from 0.4545 to a common fraction called 5/11. Have you understood that one? Yes. Any question? You are free to ask questions. Very free. Any question? Yes? Yes, please. Yeah, thank you very much. The question is saying, can we change 5/11 to a decimal number? The point is true. It can go back. Don't know where our rubbing rag is. Here, when you are asked to convert or to change the number given to you, which is what? 5/11 to a decimal fraction or a vulgar fraction. A decimal what? A decimal fraction. It can go back. Very well. This one is calling just to divide. It's calling just to do what? Say 5 out of 11 gives us long division sign, which is that one, get the numerator divided by the denominator. This one becomes 5 divided by 11, which is impossible. You put a 0 and a 0 up. As you put the 0 up, put a decimal point. This one becomes what? 50 divided by 11, we shall get something like a 4. And then 4 times 11, you get something like what? 44. If you eliminate, what do we come up with? Eliminate. We group this one to become 10. Take away this one, you get what? 6. We don't have another digit here because I've remained with 4. 4 take away 4, it becomes nothing. Yes? That one you ignore. You add a 0 here, becomes what? 60. Are we there? 60, don't add another 0 up. Divide 60 with 11. Do we get 5? Which is 11 times what? What do we get? 55. What is the remainder? Regroup 1 and make a 10. You have 5. Add a z. Divide by 11, you get a what? A 4 times a 11, you get what? 44. Subtract, what do we come up with? 6. Add a z. Divide, you get what? This one becomes a recurring number. In conclusion, our 5 out of 11 is the same as 0.4545 recurring. In case you want to take it back. But they never asked you that one. Yes? Thank you. Lastly, yes? How if you are using a bar app, then you write only the 2 repeating numbers. These are the only 2 repeating numbers, and put the bar on the top. This one means you are not going to use the dots. Are we there? This way. Or instead of writing a bar, you put a smaller dot and a smaller dot, meaning that the 2 numbers are repeating. Have I answered you? Yes. Thank you very much.